Oh, almost. As usual, third time's a charm. What's up everybody, Jeffrey McAvoy here, so good of you to be back. Welcome to what's likely going to be the last summer ride. This is the, well, definitely the last Sunday of summer. Thankfully the sun is almost out, it's not raining at least. And yeah, just enjoying the Triumph one last time before fall. And I'm pretty much a summer Sunday rider. These are conditions in which I don't normally ride in. As you can see, there's a bit of some wet patches on the road. I really don't like that, because you only have two wheels here, not four. And yeah, anyway, did you notice anything different? Maybe in the exhaust note? Sounds quite nice, doesn't it? I actually managed to put my hands on a set of slip-ons which very closely resemble the what are they called? John Tickle exhausts, which are nearly impossible to find. But my late father used to have a set of those on his Triumph, I do remember. And these ones right here give pretty much the exact same exhaust note which I was looking for. Absolutely love it. It's raucous, it's manly, and I really like it. It puts a smile on my face. Now, I'm not entirely sure the exhaust valves are going to like it as much, but that doesn't matter. Oh. Hey, couldn't miss the miss the opportunity of ringing the throttle in the tunnel. Anyhow, what's going to be coming up next regarding the Triumph? I'm going to be laying it up for the winter, and hopefully be able to squeeze in some maintenance work. Because there are quite a few things that need sorting out. Now, I will provide a first servicing video real soon regarding just the oil change and some minor things. And I also have to replace the fork oil seals, which are leaking very badly, and it does affect handling. I can feel the difference now. Might upgrade the brakes. These are not too bad, but I might upgrade them anyhow for a pair of vented discs. It's a great bike to begin with, and as I said in the introduction video, I am going to keep it as original as I can, save for the exhausts. But that's easily reversible. And yeah, and the color of the tank, which I definitely want to have in, I can't remember, I think it's Cherokee red, because the blue just doesn't do it for me. With all due respect to the previous owner, he had the tank resprayed, possibly in the original color, I don't know, but yeah, no, I just want it in the that cherry red, maybe, I don't know. I'd like to have it in that color. Whoop. Oh, the torque this thing has. Look, I think I'm in definitely second gear, and just potters on. It's marvelous, fantastic piece of machinery, absolutely love it. Anyway, I do appreciate the fact that you guys like this format. I have had a lot, I've had a few very encouraging comments. Thank you all so much for that. They are highly appreciated. And so yeah, I'll definitely be doing more of this. Sounds so good. Still haven't done the ton yet. Don't think I'll do that this year. I still need to gain a bit of confidence with this bike. I still need to do some proper maintenance as well for the brakes and the suspension. And this is an old girl after all, so I need to take good care of it. I do intend to keep it. What's going on over here? A lot of a crowd. Oh yeah, we're here. I forgot. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's called the Abbey de Villers. It's a ruin, of course. Ruin Abbey, and probably that the GoPro does not do it justice. But it is a bit of a tourist attraction in the region. So it does attract, as you can see, a lot of people, which is good for the economy. Oh, it's really difficult to be inconspicuous in small, narrow, urban areas like this. So I'm just going really easy on the throttle so as not to disturb the inhabitants of these hovels. Hovels, I have to check that up. I don't think I've said that word in like a long time. Do you remember that I mentioned another channel called Songs from the Saddle? I actually got in touch with the gentleman who runs it, and he very kindly answered. So I think that we can possibly maybe strike up some form of collaborational video. I really would like to get him online and talk about motorbikes, generally speaking. Talk about our triumphs. He has a T140E, and it would be interesting to do a sort of a comparison of the evolution of the V and the E. It would be nice. And you know, I had a few things in mind, a few topics that we could talk about. So hopefully we can be in touch and do something together. Maybe this winter. I don't know, when we're both with our motorbikes in the shed. Would you like that? Let me know in the comments. 4, 3, 2, and I'm in neutral. So it gets stuck in between third and second. I was not crazy. Okay. I always thought that that I was finding neutral, in fact, but no, it gets stuck in between second and third gear, which is not good. These are straight cut gears, so they could crash, and that would destroy the gearbox. I would rebuild it, mind you, but it would be a pain in the ass. This bike is amazing. I'm really not going that fast. And that's why I prefer it, in fact, compared to my BMW, because that one's just insane. We can have so much fun because it sounds so good and it has so much torque. Look at that, I'm just following a Peugeot 5008, and he's probably driving at legal speeds. I'm right here shivering because I'm cold. I'm half deaf because of the exhaust, and I'm having the time of my life. I'm smiling right now. That's what this bike does to you, man. It's so good, so good. Oh man, just get the wind in your face. Love this bike, I love it. Oh, that exhaust note, raucous, beautiful, love it. Oh yeah, there's a speed trap up here. The last summer ride is almost coming to an end. I do hope that you guys enjoyed the ride, and that you'll be looking forward, as much as I am, to maintenance videos and to, obviously, the spring of 2023. I will be catching you all later. Everybody, take care of yourselves. Peace out. Goodbye.